Hello my friends, hola mis amigos. Today we're going to be outside and we will learn about the tallest plant we can find outside. This plant is also the oldest. Esa planta es más talla y más vieja afuera. Do you know what kind of plant that is? ¿Sabes qué tipo de planta es eso? That's right my friends, it's a tree. Es un árbol. Let's say it together, a tree. Un árbol. Good job. Let's take a look around and see if there's any trees around us today. I found a couple of trees outside. Every tree has a few most important parts. Cada árbol tiene las partes más importantes. Let's talk about them.
Trees have 5 basic parts: the roots, the trunk, the branches, the leaves, and the flowers or seeds.
Tiene esta parte. Every tree has this part. This is the part you usually can't see because it's inside, in the ground. Normalmente no puedes ver esta parte del árbol porque es al dentro de la tierra. Do you know what this part is called? That's right, my friends, the root, las raíces. They're inside of the ground. Here are a few pictures to show you what the roots really look like when they're not inside the ground. Aren't they amazing looking? And they provide water and nutrients from the ground to the trunk. The trunk of the tree. El tronco. Aquí está. There's another trunk of the tree. Some of the tree's trunks are kind of nice and thin like this one. But some of the tree trunks are big like this tree over here. The older the tree is, the bigger the trunk of that tree is going to be. So this tree is kind of old. Este tronco es grande, pero este árbol es más viejo.
You can tell how old a tree is by looking at its trunk. Every year a tree grows, it adds a new growth ring. Count the rings and you know how old the tree is.
Then, after the trunk, we see another part of the tree. It's this part right here. Esta parte del árbol se llama las ramas, the branches. Look how many branches the tree has. Different types of trees have different types of branches. These trees' branches are very curvy. The branches hold another part of the tree. What is that right here? ¿Qué es eso? The leaves. Very good job, my friends. Las hojas.
Water and nutrients are sent up from the roots to the leaves. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. Using energy from the sun, the leaves combine the water and the carbon dioxide to make sugars that the tree uses to feed itself. And in the process, the leaves release oxygen and water vapor into the air.
The leaves are a very important part of the tree. They absorb the sunlight and help the plant produce sugars to make food for the plant. And after that, they produce oxygen. Oxygen is the air we all need. Try and breathe in and breathe out with me. Let's do this together. Right now, just now when you breathe in, and I did too, we breathe in oxygen. We breathe in oxygen all the time. We need oxygen to live. And you know who helps us with this? The trees. The trees produce so much oxygen so that every single person in the world can breathe in and breathe out. And then finally, some trees have flowers. Sometimes in spring you see a lot of trees with flowers in them. And some trees have fruits. I'll take this one right off of here. Take a look at the fruit I took. This is a pear. It's a very, very, very tiny pear. What do you think is inside of this pear? The seed. The seed is inside of a fruit that grows on a tree. If the seed falls in the ground, another tree might grow from that seed. So my friends, now that we learned about some parts of the trees, we're going to go and try and make our own tree. Vamos a hacer un árbol en la casa. For this tree, we're going to need just a little bit of leaves. So look, my friends, this is a very big tree. It has a lot of leaves. It's not going to mind if I take just a few for our tree. All right, my friends, we are back from our nature walk. Let's see what kind of leaves Miss Elena collected. A ver las hojas que Miss Elena tiene. Look at all these leaves. Right now, we are ready to make our own tree. Ahora estamos listos para hacer nuestro árbol. Remember, in your box, you have a special tool to make so many different things. ¿Tú tienes? Wiki sticks! You have Wiki sticks, my friends. So today, we're going to make a rainbow tree. Vamos a hacer un árbol arcoíris. Let's see. We're going to start making our tree. Let's see. I think I'm going to start with the trunk. Yo voy a empezar con el tronco. I will take different types of Wiki sticks. I will take a pink one, rosado, y verde, y después un amarillo, y azul. And I'm going to try to make a trunk. Let's put the trunk like this. I'm gonna stick them all together. My friends, ¿qué pasó? What happened? It fell down. Why do you think it fell down? ¿Por qué se cayó? That's right, my friends. I forgot something. Yo olvidé algo. Las raíces! The roots! Remember, my friends, the roots are a very important part of the tree. They're giving all the nutrients and water to the tree, but they also spread out like this so the root can stand. So let's see. I'm going to take the same sticks, but now I will make the roots first. Let's see. I will take one part of the stick like this, and I'll bend it out. And then I will take another stick and bend it out this way. See? Now I will take the blue one and the pink one, and I will spread them out like this. You see what it looks like? Do you think it will hold now? Let's see. Good job! Now my roots are standing nice and strong, and if you want, you can take one more stick and put it right next to them like this. And now it's standing nice and strong. Now, my friends, it's time to start a different part of the tree. We have the roots, las raíces, the trunk, el tronco, and now we can start making the branches, las ramas. Let's take some
More Wiki sticks. I will take a yellow one. Voy a poner amarillo aquí. And my friends, don't forget to kind of squeeze them together so they don't fall apart. Una verde. Aquí. Now the pink. Rosado. Ese es amarillo. The blue stick. Azul. Look at my branches. And my friends, I can bend them like this. I can make them any way I want. The tree looks so pretty. Now I can take orange stick, naranja, a red stick, rojo, and one more orange stick. Alright, my friends, now I have the branches, las ramas. If your tree is falling down like mine, you can either stick it a little bit more to the ground like this, or you can take one of the branches and make them into a root. I will take this orange one and I will attach it to the trunk, and I will put it right here and make it a root, just to make my tree a little bit stronger. Now that's better. I have the roots, the trunk, and the branches. Tengo las raíces, el tronco, y las ramas. Now, my friends, we are ready for the last part. We are ready to put some leaves on our tree. Remember, every tree has some leaves. We are going to take the first leaf and we will put it right here on this part. And stick it to one of the Wiki sticks. That looks so pretty. How about one more?
And just like that, my friends, our rainbow tree is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the roots, the trunk, the branches, and all the beautiful green leaves. Do you like this tree? Did it turn out to be okay? My friends, if it was difficult the first time, we can try again. Si fue muy difícil para ti primera vez, puedes tratar otra vez. I really like how my tree turned out. I think it's so pretty. I've never seen a beautiful tree like this. Nunca vi este tipo de árbol muy bonito. Alright, my friends, and this is everything for today. Thank you for being good listeners. Thank you for being good scientists. And I will see you next time. Adios, mis amigos.